Good morning to one and all. Now I will discuss the theme of Vidwan profile management system for research visibility. Number of profile management systems like Google Scholar, ResearchGate, Academia, Vivo, Babylons, Vidwan, etc. In this session, I will share one of the profile management system of Vidwan database provided by InflipNet. Our Vidwan database is a profile database of profiles of scientists, researchers, and other faculty members working at leading academic institutions and other R&D organizations involved in teaching and research in India. It provides important information about background, contact address, experience, and scholarly publications, skills and accomplishments, research identity, etc. Over 55,708 experts profiles in this Vidwan database and 6,165 organizations registered in this database and 8,24,594 citations are created through this Vidwan database, and it provides lot of information quickly. And our objectives of Vidwan database is quickly and conveniently provide information about experts to peers, prospective collaborator, funding agencies, uh, policy makers, and research scholars in the country. Identify peer reviewers for articles and research proposal. Discover prospective collaborators for ongoing research project. Establishing communication directly with the experts who possess the expertise needed by users. To create information exchanges and networking opportunities among scientists. This page right side corner having subject category of researchers profiles is there. Then agriculture science 3776, arts and humanities, biological sciences, chemical sciences, engineering technology, medical and health sciences, physical sciences, social sciences, and organization category. The Central University, Deemed University, Indian Institute of National Importance, other institutes, R&D organization, State University, and technical institutes. The subject wise and person wise profiles are seen in the Vidwan database. It was the database should be instrumental in selection of panels of experts for various committees. For every researcher and scientist should be easily creating the Vidwan ID. Our publications are easily imported from Google Scholar through BibTeX database. This is my profile on Vidwan database. It was the one ID was created 69023 is my ID. Then I created my name, and all our informations are provided in this profile, personal information, expertise information, experience, educational qualification, honors and awards, doctoral thesis guided, professional bodies, membership in committees, such project, and publication. The profile giving general information and expertise information, personal information, contact information, all the informations are created through this database, and all the publications are provided with the support of Google Scholar. If you created the Google Scholar site, your publications are directly imported from the Google Scholar ID. You are also giving this Vidwan database giving academic identity of Arcade ID is provided is there, Scopus ID, Researcher ID, Google Scholar ID, and Microsoft Academic Search ID. Your profile progress is there, personal, how many percentages of your profile is created, expertise, experience, and qualification, academic identity, and publications. You created a profile score also is disputed there, 9.2% out of 10. And articles, how many articles are uploaded, how many awards received, all the informations are in the Vidwan database. If you put all the informations in the Vidwan database, you download the CV of the profile, easily to download the CV, any of the information provides. The experts, the Then CV, if you see the CV, then open the CV. It is there. The full CV is there for every selection panel. If you go to every selection panel and other information, if you got the profile, if you provide the profile for full database, full CV is downloaded through this Vidwan database. If you having the selection panel and other the database would be instrumental selection of panels of experts in various committees. For example, the Madurai Kamaraj University Vice Chancellor easily to select the external examiner for the PhD Viva Vice correction and call for the Viva Vice examinations. Easily to find out the profiles for any subjects of the category, any subject category and organizational category. It is a very useful database for the researcher, scientists and academicians to see this using this Vidwan database profile.